In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on Xbox Series X. First, start by signing in to your Microsoft account. You can do this on your mobile device, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, or Android, or through a web browser on Windows or Mac. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you enter your credentials, you will gain access to your account settings. This is crucial because your payment method is linked to your Microsoft account. After you are signed in, you will be ready to make the necessary changes. Next, head over to the Payment Options section. You can find this option in the Account Settings menu, typically listed alongside other settings like Security and Privacy. Once you click on Payment Options, it will take you to a page where all your current payment methods are displayed. This step is important as it allows you to see all the payment methods currently associated with your account. You will feel more organized once you view everything in one place. Now, select the payment method you want to change. You will see a list of all your saved cards or payment methods. Click on the one you wish to update. This is a straightforward process, but it helps to double-check that you have selected the correct payment method before proceeding. This ensures you don't accidentally change information on the wrong card, which could lead to confusion later. Once you have made your selection, you are one step closer to updating your payment details. From there, choose the option that says View or Edit Card. This will allow you to see the detailed information for the payment method you selected earlier. You might see options like the card number, expiration date, and billing address. This is where you can make your changes. It is essential to ensure that all the information you provide is accurate. Incorrect details could cause payment issues in the future, so take your time here. After reviewing the information, you will be ready to make your updates. Next up, update your payment information. Enter the new card details or any changes that are needed. Make sure to double-check your entries. A simple typo can lead to significant issues when trying to make purchases or renew subscriptions. Take a moment to confirm that everything is correct, especially the card number and expiration date. This careful attention to detail is what keeps your account running smoothly. Finally, select Save to confirm your changes. This action will ensure that the new payment details are securely stored in your account. Once you click Save, you should see a confirmation message that your changes have been successfully applied. This step is critical because it makes sure your updates are not lost. It gives you peace of mind knowing that your payment information is current. If you want to use a different payment method instead of updating an existing one, remember to add the new payment method first. You can do this before going through the steps to change an existing method. When checking out or managing subscriptions, simply select the new payment method. This little tip can save you a lot of time later. You will find that managing your payment options is much simpler this way. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to change your payment method on Xbox Series X efficiently.